The US auto market just changed in a big way. As of April 2025, the government has officially added a 25% tariff on all imported vehicles and auto parts. This means that some of the most popular cars in America, like Toyota, Honda, BMW, and Mercedes, are now significantly more expensive, and the impact is already being felt. The reason for the new tariff is to boost US manufacturing and reduce reliance on foreign imports. But here's the twist. Many so-called American vehicles are actually built in countries like Japan, Mexico, Canada, South Korea, and Germany. So now, even if you're buying a car with a US badge, there's a chance it could still be affected. Let's break down how this hits your wallet. A Toyota RAV4, which is usually priced around $30,000, could now cost close to $37,500. A Honda CR-V, which used to be about $35,000, may now be priced over $43,000. The BMW X5, already a high-end SUV, could jump from $60,000 to $75,000. Even affordable cars like the Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic are seeing increases of $5,000 to $7,000 or more. And it's not just vehicles. Auto parts are included in the tariff too. That means future repairs, maintenance, and modifications could all become more expensive. Dealers across the country are starting to update their pricing, and buyers are scrambling to purchase before inventory costs rise. Some people are turning to the used car market, which is now seeing increased demand, and that means used car prices may go up too. This policy could reshape how Americans buy cars. Some automakers are expected to slow down production, shift factories, or even cut jobs in response. Others might try to absorb part of the cost for now, but eventually, it all trickles down to the buyer. And if you're someone looking to get a new vehicle this year, this tariff could mean paying thousands more than you planned. So what can you do about it? First, if you've been planning to buy an imported vehicle, you may want to act quickly before prices fully reflect the tariff. Second, consider looking into American-assembled vehicles that aren't hit by the tax. Third, keep an eye on certified, pre-owned cars. They may offer more value right now than brand-new models. Supporters of the tariff say it's a way to protect American jobs and bring manufacturing back home. But critics argue that it places too much pressure on consumers and reduces competition in the market. Only time will tell if this move helps or hurts the economy. But one thing's for sure. The car buying experience in 2025 just got a lot more complicated. What do you think about the 25% tariff on imported cars? Are you holding off on buying or planning to switch brands? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Lux Auto X, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next breakdown on the biggest auto news, reviews, and insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.